I cannot believe these 10-foot paper garlands took me less than 15 minutes to make. And the best part, all you need is a roll of crepe paper and a sewing machine. Here is the trick. Start with a full bobbin and use thread that matches your crepe paper. I'm using blue thread here for the demo so it's easier to see. With the sewing foot raised, place the crepe paper under the needle. Use the needle to bring the bobbin thread up through the paper just like this. Then lower the presser foot. Next, pull out the bobbin thread to the length of your garland. I am making a 10-foot garland, so I pulled out about 11 feet of thread. Just make sure it doesn't get tangled. Now, switch your machine to the widest zigzag stitch. Start stitching slowly. As you stitch, gently pull the bobbin thread. That's what creates these beautiful gathered ruffles. Don't pull too hard. You want the paper to gather naturally while the zigzag stitch secures everything in place. Once you reach the end, tie a knot, trim the excess paper, and gently twist the ruffles to form the garland. That's it. Beautiful paper garlands are ready in no time. I was able to make 4 10-foot garlands from just one roll of crepe paper, and each one took about 15 minutes. My little one watched me making these and said, Amma, it's like magic. And honestly, I think that's the perfect way to describe it. They are beautiful, easy to make, budget friendly, time friendly, eco friendly, and perfect for festivals, baby shower, or any celebration. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY. Comment and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching.